Hello there, welcome to Food and Lifestyle with Hugoochies. Today I'll be showing you how I made this simple, easy and delicious soup, vegetable soup. Yorubas might call it eforiro and what have you, but then it is our normal ugu and waterleaf that I made use of. Okay, so today I'm not going to be giving you the processes, just be watching while you listen to my voiceover. I'll be talking about the prices of food ingredients in the market. Oh my god, prices are not smiling at all. First off, I'm going to be telling you how much I bought various things. So I'll begin with the palm oil. The palm oil, I got that for 500 naira because I just cooked from the one I had in the house. Then the pepper mix, the pepper, the onion and the tomato, I got that for 1,500 naira. The iru, I got that for 250 naira. That's about the cheapest ingredient here. That's after salt. After salt, yes, I got the iru for 250 naira. Next, I have the meats. The meat I made use of, a kilo of meat now goes for 6.5, and that's a kilo of meat, so I got that for 6.5. The Pomo, I got that for 1,500 naira. The stockfish for 1,500 naira. The dried fish 1,500 naira. Yes. Next, I have the seasoning cubes. I already had some in the house, so I just picked from that, so we could tag that at 300 naira. Yes, the seasoning cubes that were used. Next, the crayfish. The crayfish, I got that for 1,000 naira. Yes, I got that for 1,000 naira. We have the waterleaf. The waterleaf, I got the waterleaf for 1,500 naira. I think that's about the most it's not the most expensive. Meat is still the most expensive in the meal, but then the waterleaf, it's very small. You're going to be seeing when I will be adding the waterleaf, yet it still went for that price, and I just got it. Yes, so the waterleaf was for 1,500 naira. Next, I have the ugu. The ugu, I got that for 4,000 naira. Yes, the ugu, I got that for 4,000 naira, and it was just like those tiny bunches, because a little bunch that we used to buy 100 naira back then, from way back, they now sell that for 500 naira. So I got the ugu for 4,000 naira because I first bought that of 2,000 naira. It wasn't enough, so I had to add more. Yes, and so this is all of the ugu, and I got this for 4,000 naira. That's what I used in making this delicious soup. It tasted really good though, very good. It tasted very good and healthy, like not your usual vegetable soup. Now you might want to skip the iru part. You might want to skip other things. You might want to use different vegetables to make this, but this is what I chose to do. And the major reason was to talk about the prices. How are you and your family coping with the prices in the market? God is definitely going to see us all through. Yes. Okay, I hope you'll be trying this recipe, and I hope you actually enjoyed watching this video. Do well to come back next time for more simple, easy recipes, and then we'll talk about prices as well. Yes, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. See you next time. Ciao.